Welcome to Technolutions Projects Private Limited, where innovation meets precision in pharma and healthcare infrastructure. We deliver cleanroom solutions for pharma, biotech, APIs, and medical devices. With 150 Jor global projects and 95 Jor years of leadership experience, we ensure end-to-end, compliant infrastructure solutions. With decades of expertise, we serve core health sectors with world-class, globally compliant solutions. We serve key health sectors, health space, care areas, med sectors, health verticals. At TPPL, we turn pharma infrastructure visions into reality with precision, compliance, and end-to-end expertise that powers healthcare excellence. TPPL offers end-to-end services from concept design to detailed engineering, procurement, construction, and training, delivering complete solutions for pharma and healthcare infrastructure. Talking about our journey, since inception, TPPL has evolved into a trusted name in pharma infrastructure, driven by innovation, expertise, and quality. Our journey reflects growth, global reach, and technical excellence. Founded in 2001, TPPL began its journey in pharma infrastructure. By 2008, we had built a strong foundation, expanded engineering capabilities, and earned trust across India's pharmaceutical sector. 2010 to 2023, TPPL expanded its global presence, built strategic partnerships, and successfully delivered over 150 high-quality pharmaceutical projects, setting new benchmarks in compliance and innovation. TPPL is led by 3 directors with 95 Jor years of combined expertise in pharma consulting, design, execution, and quality, backed by seasoned engineering and pharma professionals. At the forefront is Mr. Amol Sambar, Managing Director at TPPL, brings 23 years of global pharma project expertise and leads the company's vision, strategy, and execution with excellence. Mr. P.K. Kulkarni, Principal Consultant at TPPL, is a gold medalist pharmacist with decades of leadership in pharma manufacturing and consulting. He co-founded TPPL, shaping its strategic direction and growth. Mr. K.D. Datar, Principal Consultant at TPPL, brings decades of experience from Sandoz, where he led major pharma projects. He actively contributes to ISPE, ASHRAE, and Ultrapur Water Society. Driving operational and technical excellence, Mr. Amol Dighe, Principal Consultant at TPPL, is a chartered engineer with 38 years of experience in pharma, chemicals, and energy. He's held key leadership roles across India and Europe. Thank you for being part of TPPL's journey. There's so much more to come. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube for the latest updates, insights, and project highlights. Links are right below.